What is up, everybody, and welcome back to an episode of What the Truck. Today we've got a good one. David, dude, what the truck do we have here?
Well, Solomon, this is my 1977 Ford F-150 4x4.
Oh my gosh. And it's on Baja belted 239s. This is super cool. So tell me the story. How did you get this truck? How is it in your family?
Well, it's a neat story. My dad bought this truck brand new in 1977.
Oh, that's so cool.
Of course, I fell in love with it the day he brought it home. So he gave it to me about 20 years ago, and I completely restored it back in 2022.
So let's start from front to back. What am I looking at here? What suspension? What all did you do?
So basically, it's stock for the most part. Did put a 7-inch lift kit on it. I'm running Fox shocks. I put 411 gears in it for the taller tires. It has a 400M motor, and I have stainless steel exhaust.
Gosh, it looks like you could eat off that frame. Ah, man. Why did you guys do such a good job of bodyworking the frame in the bottom of this thing? Like,
well, you know, again, it's family owned. My dad bought it new, so I thought it was worth the time and effort to do it correctly.
You definitely did it. This thing is beautiful. So you said under the hood it's all original, or it's the original power plant?
Original powertrain with the motor and transmission, and I did put some chrome and a serpentine kit and that kind of stuff on there. So we'll lift it up here and take a look.
Gosh, this
it does have an aluminum radiator.
Man.
I did the Wilwood master cylinder, did the Restomod Air, and the CVF serpentine kit.
This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love that you even got with the original Motorcraft battery.
Yeah, went with the old Ford Motorcraft battery, yep.
Who did all the paint and body work?
I did all the paint and body work myself.
No kidding.
Yes, sir.
You taking on work?
No. I did paint and body work in high school.
Okay.
At a Botech center. Never did it for a living, but just kind of did it on the side on weekends and stuff, and decided to take this one on for myself.
You did good. What color is it?
This is Blue Jean Midnight Metallic. It's a 2019 Ford truck color.
Gosh, that is such a good looking color. It's got like the perfect amount of metallic, but it's not too much.
Yes, sir.
Where it's like overpowering.
Yes, sir.
And on the inside of this thing, how cool is it? What did you do on there?
I redid the whole interior. I put a 96 seat in it because it has an armrest, and thought I might need that and a couple of cup holders. I had the boys over at Davis 4x4 put my steps on for me so I can get in and out of it.
Shout out to JW.
Easier. But yeah, I had the seats done by a local upholstery shop, Montrose Upholstery. This is a Relicate leather. And then I had Fat Fender Garage do the door panels, and completely restored inside and out.
Beautiful. Retro sound radio. Oh man, look at that headliner. That is beautiful. Where's home for you?
Richmond, Virginia.
Oh, that's why you know JW. He's right there.
Exactly, yes sir.
So you've been here all weekend. What would you say is like the things that everybody keeps asking you about this truck?
When the tires are going to be available. That's the #1 question. And a lot of people are interested in buying these tires and wheels. So
gosh,
when they do release, they'll be busy.
They are. So I have a little bit of info, and for the guys watching, they're supposed to be mid to late July.
Okay.
So as long as everything goes, people could expect it then.
Okay.
But I think I'm gonna bust out the drone and get a couple cool shots of this thing.
Okay.
So let's do it.
All right.
right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love this F-150. You guys know I love a dense side short bed 4x4. David, where can they go to check you out?
So I have an Instagram, 77 custom Instagram, 77 dense side custom, sorry about that. And they can check it out there. See a lot of pictures when I was restoring it and stuff.
Well, I really appreciate your time.
Yes, sir.
And if you guys have any questions, drop a comment below, and we will see you in the next video.